Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry, and today is Tuesday, April 19. The time is around 1 a.m. GMT. Today we're gonna be looking at the chart of Apple. This is a 60 minutes chart here. We're gonna be focusing on the short term, okay? And right here we see that we ended with X at 179.6, which means we are now technically within with Y, and within with Y we are now doing a zigzag. Okay, APC. You can see this A here is in the form of a 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see there is a divergence on the wave 5, which is typical for wave 5, losing momentum here. Now 4 overlaps with wave 1, but that doesn't really matter because it is within wave A, so it could be a diagonal, right? The only time overlap is not allowed is only if it is within wave 3. If it is within wave 1, you can have an overlap here. Technically it's called diagonal. Within wave 5 you can also have an overlap. For example, in this case we don't have an overlap between 1 and 4 and 1 and 4, but if there is an overlap here, that also is okay because it's within with 1, within with 5, and within with A you can also have an overlap. Because the only time you cannot have an overlap is if it is within with 3 right here. Okay, and you finish A as a 5 waves, and then you got a clear 3 waves rally here, which is corrective, A, B, C, finishing the P. So now it's already turning lower. You can see the decline here looks impulsive. So now as long as we don't break above the P, and more importantly above 179.6, we should continue to see more downside this week, right? Now what will be in the alternate? Well, the alternate, since we have not broken below the A here, right? Let me double check to make sure. This A here is 163, this one is 163. Yeah, so we sort of double bottom, retested the low, but we have not technically broken below it. So in the alternate scenario, we could be doing a double or a flat from here. So you can have a, let's say, WX or an AB, and then you can have a Y or a C to finish the P like this. So you can have a bigger 3 swing rally before going down. Okay, so that will be the alternate. But if it breaks below A, then technically that alternate is going to be ruled out, right? It's going to be ruled out if we can break below the A. But when the thing is, this decline at the moment, it does look impulsive, right? It does look impulsive. So that's why I think the idea that this is ending the P is being favored at this point, because this decline looks impulsive, even though the full confirmation is when we break below 163 to the downside. Now this short-term rally right now is expected to finish around, let's say, around this area, 167.3, 169.4. So this is when your 3 swing rally is expected to finish, and then as long as we don't break above this 171, we should then continue to sell off this week. Okay, alternate, we continue to rally and doing a bigger 3 swing from this low. So then if that's the case, let's say if we continue to rally and break above 171, we should be getting this bigger 3 swing here, this 1, 2, and then 3. So then we can go into 171.2, 176. This is going to be in the area in a larger 3 swing where you can finish the P and then sell off again. Okay, but that's the alternate, right? The primary view not calling for that to happen. Okay, so don't confuse alternate and the primary view, right? The primary view is not calling for that to happen. It's calling for the rally likely to fail below 171 because this decline here, it does look impulsive. All right, so for further updates on Apple as well as other stocks, ETF, and so on, you can check our service. We have 14 days trial. We also currently still running Easter promotion, which will be ending in just I think 24-48 hours. So if you want to take advantage of that, this is your last chance this week. All right, now in terms of the move to the downside, the target on the downside, if we are going to be simply doing an ABC zigzag, you can just a rough idea. C equal to A gives you a rough idea. You can go to 154 as the next target on the downside. All right, so I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.